Hello everyone, thank you for joining this video. In today's video we are going to test our English fluency. We are going to know the level of our English language. We are going to know that what is the level of our English language. There are so many people who are learning English language. Sometimes they think that I don't know I'm achieving fluency or not, where I am, what is the level of my English language, how I'm speaking. So these kind of questions come in our mind. Okay, so in this video we are going to cover these all the points, like how can we understand, how can we know our English level, how can we know the fluency level of English language. Okay, so this video is going to be super special, and you will be getting so many things, you will be learning so many things in this video. So let's begin this video. So first of all, let me tell you one thing. This method is very useful for all the beginners, for all the learners, okay, who are speaking English language, who are learning English language, whether you are able to speak or not. If you are not able to speak, still you can check your fluency level, you can improve your fluency level, you can improve your English language. Okay, so first of all, if I talk about the beginners, how beginners can understand, how beginners can know, how beginners can test their English language. So my friend, first of all, let me tell you one thing. If you are a beginner and you are not able to speak so many things, you are not able to speak on any type of topic fluently, so first of all, try to speak about your introduction. And listen to me carefully. See, not only your introduction but also so many things. Let me tell you, see how you can speak so many things about yourself, right? So first of all, you should speak about your family background, your name, your age, whatever we just speak usually. So those all the things you have to cover, you have to speak. Okay, and one important thing is also, when you will start speaking, so try to know where you are stucking, and try to know how long you can speak. Have you ever imagined how long you can speak without taking break? Have you ever imagined it? See, every single day you should do this thing. See, just record your voice. First of all, clear that you are able to speak about your introduction, you are able to introduce yourself. If you are able to introduce yourself, then record the voice of yours. Okay, record the voice, just speak 1 line, 2 line, 3 line, and then see, are you able to speak 3 lines without taking break? If you are able to speak without taking break, it means that your fluency level is increasing, you are able to speak, and your day by day your English is improving. Getting the point? So do this thing every single day. Just first of all, if you are unable to speak 2 lines continuously, so just try to prepare those 2 lines, try to speak those 2 lines again and again, and then the next day 3 lines, and the 4th day 4 line. In this way, see how you can test, how you can learn, how you can know, and how you can increase the level of your English language, how you can increase the level of your fluency. Listen to me carefully. Every single day you have to speak, and just increase the introduction. Like for example, if you are talking about your family background, your age, your name, your qualification, so apart from this, you should talk about your incidents. Like for example, as you know, these kind of things are being asked in interviews. For example, you must have heard about the interview of NDA interview, in which the interviewer asks many questions to the candidate, and candidate has to answer. At the same time, he has to answer all the questions. The interviewer asks many questions at the same time. Like for example, your name, your age, plus your qualification, plus your family background, plus your any incident, any happiest incident of your life, any happy moment of your life, any sad moment of your life, and there are so many things, he asks to the candidate, and candidate has to answer those all the questions one by one, in a sequence he has to answer all the questions. Okay, so if you will prepare your presentation, if you will prepare your introduction in this way, every single day if you will speak about your introduction about these kind of things, first of all you have to talk about your family background, your name, your age. Just prepare this thing with fully attention. Prepare this thing, speak every single day. Wherever you are stucking, wherever you are making mistakes, just know the point and work upon that point, and just try to speak those things again and again. And then after that, then after introduction, then you should talk about your incident. After introducing yourself, you should talk about your incidents, the moment when you were very sad, the moment when you were happy. And they ask many other questions as well, like how many marks have you scored in your 12th class, how many marks have you scored in your 10th class, and the teacher who you liked so much and the teacher who you didn't like so much. Okay, these kind of questions they ask, and you should talk about these things, like I did not used to like that teacher in my school. Okay, these kind of things you should talk about every single day. And just don't forget recording your video, recording your voice only, not video but voice. Every single day you should record your voice, and let's just prepare, first of all practice of that thing and speak every single day. Okay, speak and just record your voice every single day, and see how long you can speak, how long you can speak without taking break. If you are able to speak, if you are able to speak fluently, if you are speaking every single day and you are increasing one line every single day, you are just improving every single day, so it means that your English fluency is increasing. In this way you can understand, you can learn, you can taste that yes, I am speaking and I am just achieving fluency. Okay, in this way you can check that yeah, I am achieving my fluency, I am achieving fluency, right? So if I talk about those people who are able to introduce themselves easily, if I talk about those people who are able to introduce themselves easily, so there are many things actually to talk about. Yeah, see how they can understand, how they can test their English language, and many people who will be doing the same, who will be practicing every single day. So how they can understand, how they can test their English language. Listen to me carefully. If you are able to speak English language, you are able to introduce yourself easily. So now it is your turn to speak about any topic. For example, you can talk about your India, your country. You can talk about any festival of India. You can talk about any type of religion. You can talk about any type of any we can say culture. Okay, see, for example, if you are talking about country, like my country is this, and there is so much diversity in India. India is a great country, India is the most populated country in the world. So in this way you can talk about so many things about India, and whatever topic you want to take, you can take and you can speak about that. Okay, and if you want to prepare your introduction, you also want to prepare your introduction, so you can prepare. Just talk about your daily routine, talk about your incident, talk about your hobbies, talk about your qualification. Okay, and just don't forget recording the voice. Okay, must record your voice, and in this way you can understand, you can test how long I can speak without taking break. Okay, you can know that yeah, this is my level and I am speaking English language every single day. I am speaking and I am improving and I am achieving fluency. Okay, you can understand that I am achieving or not. Okay, so in this way you can improve your English language, you can increase, you can understand that yes, this is my level and I need to improve my level, I need to improve my English language, and every single day just work upon that thing whatever you are unable to speak. Okay, So this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.